Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you the latest WhatsApp hidden features, things you don't know about on WhatsApp, all the hidden features on WhatsApp, and the tips and tricks on WhatsApp you should know. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can please do so. Scroll down and click on the subscription button, and also click the notification bell icon to get more amazing videos from my channel. Thank you. Let us go right to the video. Now, the first thing we're going to look at is how to pin chat. Now we can find out there are many times, let's say an example, if you have plenty of chat on your WhatsApp and there are specific people that are on your priority list that you talk to every now and then, and you need to be replying to them very fast. So in order to do that, you can pin their chats on top of your WhatsApp messages, so that whenever you need them, you'll easily be able to get access to message them and communicate with those people. Now, how we're going to do that is what you do: you select the person, the individual that you want to be talking to, or the group that you are chatting on frequently. You select it like this, you long press on it as I've done, long press on it as I've done, and select it and click on the pin chat up here. See, the chat has been pinned. If you can look at it, you can see there's a pin on the chat. So whenever you have plenty of messages, this chat will never go down. It will always be there. Then the other feature that WhatsApp has come up with now again is the feature of dark mode. In fact, there are some people that are using GB WhatsApp and other WhatsApp, but now with WhatsApp, the original WhatsApp, the normal WhatsApp, you'll be able to use dark mode on WhatsApp. So how to go about it? You click the option button here. When you click the option button here, you click on settings. When you're on settings, click on chats. Just look for chat. This is chats. Click on chats and go to theme, the first one. As you can see, the first one, theme is there. The first one, theme. So click on dark mode. If you want dark mode, you see, when you click on dark mode, if you click OK, we'll get a dark mode of WhatsApp. You see, we'll get a dark mode of WhatsApp. As you can see, there is already a dark mode of WhatsApp. That is how we change the theme of WhatsApp. Now on the normal original WhatsApp, the other thing you're going to look at is the fingerprint lock. Now for some people have been finding it difficult to add the privacy of locking their WhatsApp chats, so that other people won't be able to get access to their WhatsApp. So what you need to do to set this privacy, go to settings, click the option bar, go to settings, go to privacy, so you go to account. From account, you go to privacy. On privacy, you scroll down, you can see the last option, fingerprint lock. With this fingerprint lock, you'll be able to set fingerprint lock on your WhatsApp, which means only you will be able to access your WhatsApp and read your messages. Nobody will be able to do them without your knowledge. So the other thing we're going to do is, for instance, if you have plenty of chats on your WhatsApp messages, on your WhatsApp screen, and you want to just mark all those, you'll be able to mark all those chats as read messages. Because if you don't have time to be going over all the messages individually, you'll be able to mark them as read messages, and also you'll be able to mark them as unread messages. So what you need to do is just select the message you want to mark as read message, select it, long press on it, and click on option up here. Then we'll click on mark as read message. As you can see, automatically the message has been marked as read message. The next thing we're going to do is how to hide photos. You'll be able to disable photos of WhatsApp, that they will not be they will not appear on your gallery. You'll be able to disable photos on WhatsApp, and they will not be seen on your gallery. For some people that have private photos on WhatsApp, be able to hide those photos and they will not be seen on your gallery. So how to go about this is this is the message from the sender. You want to sending you private photos, just click on the message. This is the photo, but this photo has already been downloaded. So how you go about hiding these photos from people not to see all these photos on your gallery? You just click on the individual, so that is the individual. So we're going to click on media visibility. Look for media visibility. This is the media visibility. Click on no. It will actually show newly downloaded media from this chat in your phone's gallery. So click on no. So when you click on no photos or image will be showing on your phone's gallery from this chat. So go back again. All the photos from this chat have been hidden. Then the other thing again we're going to do again is how to let people not know that you have seen their messages. Now for some people that normally send you messages and you want to don't want them to know that you have seen their messages, and also that you don't want them to know that you have viewed their status. So we're going to set up a receipt on WhatsApp. So how to go about it is you click on the option bar, you click on settings, click on account. Okay, click on account. Okay, we have clicked on account and click on privacy. Then so now we're going to click on read receipt. When you click on read receipt, when you turn it off, people will not know that you have seen their messages, and they will not know you have seen their status. So that is how you go about reading the receipt. So go back again. These are some of the features, hidden features of WhatsApp. Then the other thing you will be able to set privacy on your status. Determines you will be able to determine who and the people that you want to see your status. So how we go about disabling or setting privacy on your status? You go to the status as this, you click on status privacy. As you can see under the status privacy, we have my contacts. Click on your contact. Only people on your contact will be able to see your status and view your status. If you click on my contact except, your setting is as, and people on your contact can see your status, but specific other people cannot see it, and you can only share your status with few people that you want to share them with. So after you can click on the done down here. So the next thing we're going to do is we can delete messages on WhatsApp. If you send message to people, they will last, it will take 60 minutes. After 60 minutes, you'll be able to delete the message for the people. Delete those messages. You can either delete the message for those people that you sent, even the message to you. You don't want the people to see the messages, or you can delete it for yourself. And after 60 minutes, you won't be able to delete those messages for those people. So you can see I've sent hi to this person. I'll just click on a message like this and click delete. See the option. I'll be able to delete the message for me. I'll be able to cancel the process. I'll be able to delete the message for everyone. I'll just click delete for everyone. See, you deleted the message. So the other thing again, amazing feature on WhatsApp is that we'll be able to share location. You'll be able to share location. Now, if you're visiting someone in another state or in another location, or someone is coming to visit you and the person wants to know your location, you can easily send them your location. So you just click on the individual's message and click on this here and click on send location. Continue and follow the process. For it to be done, you need to click on allow. So switch on your GPS so that you'll be able to send location. I'll switch on my GPS. Now I'm able to send my location to this person. I'll just click on share live location, continue, send. This is my location I've sent to this person. This person will be able to trace me to know where I am. It is going. See, if the person receive this message and check on and click on my location that I sent to him, he will be able to access my location and know the exact place where I am at the moment. Then the other thing again I'm going to show you is how to limit your data usage. If you are using mobile data to send message on WhatsApp, you'll be able to limit your data usage, and you're able to change whether you are to download images automatically or you have to download videos automatically. So how to do is you to click on the option bar at the top, click on settings, you click on data and storage usage. Then see, now we're able to set the media auto download. Media auto download is, as you can see, it says when using mobile data. When I'm using mobile data, if I want to download media, for me it's no, I don't want to be download media automatically. I want to download them at my own choice. So I'll click on tick these boxes. If you want to download them automatically, you tick the boxes. If you don't want to download them automatically, you untick the boxes and click on OK. The same goes on when you are connected to a Wi-Fi. If you want to download them automatically, you tick the boxes. If you don't want to download them automatically, you untick the boxes, click on OK. Then the other thing again, as I told you or mentioned earlier, you can limit your data usage. Just scroll at the bottom, you can see lower data usage. Just click on it. The data usage of WhatsApp, your data usage has been limited, so it has been reduced. As you can see, reduce the data used in a call. Okay, so we're going to look at something next. We're going to send chats on archives. If you want to send chats on archives, select the chats of the individual or group, and you click on this here, this archives. It will ask you to archive chats. See, archive chat, but I'm not going to do it for now, because we are learning. Another thing again I'm going to show you is sorry, if you send a message to an individual on WhatsApp, after you send a message to that individual on WhatsApp, like if I say, for instance, I send hi Bo on WhatsApp, and I send a message, say it takes 3 hours without reply, or 4 hours or a day, or 24 hours without reply, I'll be able to see whether the person has seen the message or not, and also I'll be able to know the time the person sees the message. What I will do for that, I'll click on the message, highlight the message, I click on the option bar, and from the option bar I'll click on info. You can see info on the screen, info. When I click on info, okay, click on info again. Okay, it will tell me the time. If the message has been delivered, it will tell me the time that the individual sees the message. But now the individual hasn't seen the message, so it's not showing any time. And here the individual haven't read the message, so it will not show any time. The other thing again we want to look at is you can change the fonts of the messages you are sending into your groups or to individuals. Now if I want to change the font, I can also play with the font. I can make the font bold, I can make the font italic for those of us that are conversant with Microsoft Office packages. Now if I type this is my ball, for instance, if I type this is my ball, I'll select all of these messages here. I'll select all, highlight all of them, then I'll be able to okay, highlight all the messages. Again, I click on this option, the option after share, the next option. I'll be able to bold the text. See, if I send a message, it's bold. I'll be able, if I copy it again, so I'm going to use it again, I'll be able to make it italic. I'll be able to italicize it. Click on the option again. I'll make it italic. As you can see on the screen, we have bold, we have italic, we have strike too. I'll make it italic. When I send it, the message is italic. So I'll be able to play with fonts on WhatsApp. The other thing again you can do on WhatsApp is you can reply to messages on WhatsApp. Now, for instance, this sender sent me a message here on WhatsApp, so I'll be able to reply to that message. What I will do is I'll right click on the sender's message and I'll click on this reply here, click on reply. I will say okay, receive. But if you haven't, if you didn't see what I did, so what I will do, I'll just come to this message as this way, and I'll come to the message and strike it this way, strike it to the left. Let me do it again so you can see what I'm saying. Strike it to the right. I'll strike the message to the right. The moment I strike the message to the right, I'll be able to reply to that message and say okay. Whatever message, whether it's my own message or the sender's message, I'll be able to reply to them. And the other amazing feature of WhatsApp is I can change my last scene on WhatsApp. You can set your last scene as, you can change the privacy of your last scene, whether you want people to know when last you visit WhatsApp or not. Private account, so your account privacy. I'll change the last scene of my people, the people I want to see. My last scene, you can either change it to everyone, contact or nobody. Your profile picture, you want people to see it, either set it to everyone, my contact or nobody. About again, you can either send it to everyone, my contact or nobody. So it's very easy, as you can see. So thank you very much for visiting my channel. If you haven't seen my other videos, you can check my other videos, and you can please subscribe to my channel so that we can build a family. I can assure you that amazing videos coming your way very soon. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends, like and comment. Thank you.